Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Yukon. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, 8-cylinder, 6.2-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control magnetic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, power windows with safety reverse, roof rails, active grille shutters, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, roll stability control, daytime running lights. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, voice-activated navigation system, rear view camera, leather trim seats, wireless charging station, audio, internet radio, Pandora, airbags, front, center, heated steering wheel, audio radio, touchscreen display, heads-up display. Your new ride is just a phone call away.